Hey there guys, it's your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man here, and this week's episode we're going to be showing you how to make my very own Iron Spider helmet so you too can go out there and fight the Sinister Six. Let's go! Alright guys, we have our fully finished and completed Iron Spider helmet, and I gotta say, it's one of my favorite characters. I really love the way they had the take on the Iron Spider in Infinity War. It looks so awesome, the suit was incredible. If I was a little bit thinner, I would want to cosplay as this character. But this is going to be the best thing, especially I love Marvel and I love Spider-Man ever since I was a little kid. And this is going to be an awesome addition to my shelf and to my collection of 3D printed props. And I gotta say, if you guys love Marvel, I hope you really love Spider-Man because he is awesome. You know, one of my favorite things about this file that actually came from Do 3D as well. This is another file from Do 3D. And one of the best files he has of Spider-Man, he actually has another version that comes with the legs as well as the web shooters, which I probably will be doing the web shooters in an upcoming video, but the file is from somebody else. So guys, one of the best things I love about this is the removable eyes that actually can be attached with magnets and that just fall right into place. And I love it because every time you see a Spider-Man face shell, it actually has that you can remove the eyes with magnets, and that's awesome because if you can't see or you can't breathe, it gets a little hot in these helmets and everything. So get some fresh air, you know, get some fresh air. And here we go, you know, let's try this baby on. I want to see. So this thing is a little bit bigger. That way I was able to slide it over my head. So I added a little bit of padding. So let's try this. Let's try this baby on. Let's try this on. Truly badass, guys. And as simple, I can take the pieces off my eyes, and because obviously I can't see through these things because it's basically solid PLA, but I can see right through the little slits pretty well. Easy on, easy off, no worries. My hair's maybe a little messy, but hey, whatever. There's always helmet head when you're cosplaying. You know guys, if you want to get this file, I will leave a link in the description below. That way you can get it for yourself and become the Iron Spider like me. You know, one thing I really want to do is I want to figure out to get that cloudy white plastic look that I've seen in a lot of the Spider-Man face shells made by other people on Etsy and everything. I want to see if I can make that effect. I don't know if they use a mesh backing and then a plexiglass front or a PETG plastic that's vacuum formed and everything, but I would really love to get that effect and try to do it with interchanging eyes. It's not connecting. This is like didn't want to connect. It's like it's like such an easy process of connecting, and I just couldn't even get it done. Like 1 second, and before I'm like, it's not connecting. You know, and if so, you guys know. Remember, this is actually a 2-piece helmet. So if you guys don't want to do it as a pullover, and you want it to be more fitted to your face, just so it doesn't look so bulky, depending on your body type, you can actually print it out in 2 pieces and interlock it with some magnets, like I showed you in some previous videos. So that way you can just pull it on and off and you're good to go. I want to add some of the web shooters to add to this specific helmet. I think I'm going to be doing the Iron Spider web shooters that actually I found on Thingiverse, and I'm going to be seeing about working that in and adding it to another video to show you guys, you know, the process of that one. And I'm thinking of using some reflective tape for part of it. I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna see about how that's gonna work, and if I can find some as well. Kind of limited to what I can find here in stores, you know. Alright guys, before I end this video, I want to thank all my subscribers and the new people that come to watch these videos and enjoy it, and that enjoy 3D printing and replica props as well as cosplay, because I'm going to be bringing you some more, because for the rest of this month it's going to be all Marvel based. And if you guys have a suggestion for something for me to 3D print and build and finish, leave that in the comments down below. That way you guys can give me ideas and you can be a part of this epic journey. And whoever idea I choose or recommendation, I will give a shout out to that person. And remember guys, don't forget, for all you guys that come and join in, that just wandering onto the video, please click that subscribe button, because once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I am going to be doing some amazing giveaways of a lot of these replica props that I'm working on. And some of these you guys can have for free. So you guys have an awesome weekend. Have a great time. Enjoy your life. Have fun. And don't forget, remember guys, click that subscribe button right here. So click that subscribe button and hit that like button right here. Because with your support, I'm going to be able to keep going on this, because I love doing this, and this is an awesome time for me to do and share with you guys. So you guys have a great time. Bye. Longer Shane, darling. Wait, I shouldn't say that. I can get copyright flag. This is the removable eyes. Oh.